Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tempur-Pedic remote is probably one of the most important accessories for your adjustable bed, ensuring you can easily control its features and optimize your sleep experience. Finding the right replacement can be tricky, so in this video, we will explore various options, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision and get back to enjoying the comfort of your Tempur-Pedic bed. Number 5. Ergo Advanced RCWM101 Remote. This is the perfect replacement for your old remote. It's designed to work seamlessly with your adjustable bed. It's specifically made for the 2020 version of the Ergo Advanced RCWM101. Make sure your model matches before purchasing. Enjoy easy and precise control of your adjustable bed's features. It's just like using your original remote. It's designed for simple plug-and-play operation. No complicated setup is required. Get back to enjoying comfortable and convenient control of your bed. It's a simple upgrade for better sleep. It's built with durable materials to ensure long-lasting performance. Enjoy years of reliable use. What we like. It boasts an updated design for enhanced usability and durability. If you value a modern, scratch-resistant remote, this is the perfect choice. This remote is ideal for those seeking a sleek and long-lasting replacement for their adjustable bed. Number 4. Sealy Replacement Remote. Is your adjustable bed remote broken or missing? This replacement is here to help. It's compatible with several Sealy models and is easy to program. This isn't just any replacement, it's designed for better usability. The sleek gray design is less prone to scratches than the older black model. It works perfectly with Sealy Ease 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0 adjustable bases. Please double-check your old remote's buttons to ensure compatibility. We've made it simple to set up. Clear, easy-to-follow instructions are included to get you up and running quickly. Don't let a broken remote keep you from enjoying your adjustable bed. Order your replacement today and experience the difference. This remote is specifically designed for Sealy adjustable bases. Make sure the buttons on your old remote match those shown here before ordering. What we like. This remote is designed for seamless integration with Sealy Ease adjustable bases. If you own a Sealy Ease bed and want a reliable, updated replacement, this is it. Its improved design ensures ease of use and longevity. What people say. Exact replacement, works flawlessly. Product was easy to pair and works great. Easy to hold. You must sync up with your bed frame. Following instructions sent with the remote. Easy peasy. Number 3. Tempur-Pedic Ergo Advanced Remote. Is your old Tempur-Pedic remote giving you trouble? This replacement offers the same great functionality, making adjusting your base effortless. It's designed to work perfectly with your Tempur-Pedic Ergo Advanced base. Enjoy easy setup and familiar controls. It has all the features you love, like position adjustments and presets. You'll find it just as intuitive as your old remote. This updated remote boasts a sleek new design. It's a stylish upgrade for your bedroom. Setting it up is a breeze. We've included simple, step-by-step instructions to get you started quickly. Please ensure your old remote matches the image shown. This remote is compatible with specific Tempur-Pedic models. Need a remote for a different Tempur-Pedic model? Check out our other listings for compatible options. What we like. It offers full functionality despite being designed for older models. If you have an older Tempur-Pedic base and need a reliable replacement, this is a great option. The simple pairing process makes setup a breeze. Number 2. Ergo Extend Replacement Remote. This is the perfect replacement for your old remote. It's easy to use and will have your bed adjusted in seconds. Enjoy effortless control of your adjustable bed. It offers the same great functionality as your original remote. Setting it up is a breeze. Just pair it with your bed and you're ready to go. It's built to last. The durable design ensures years of reliable performance. Experience comfortable and intuitive operation. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand. Get back to enjoying the comfort of your adjustable bed with this simple solution. It's the perfect replacement for a broken or lost remote. What we like. This remote provides comprehensive control over Ergo and Ergo extend adjustable beds. If you need a simple yet effective solution for controlling your adjustable bed, this is the one. Its intuitive design makes operation effortless. What people say. Works great, very happy with the product. Worked perfectly. Worked good once we got it hooked up. You need to look at the right website to find the best directions. Number 1. Tempur-Pedic Remote RC HW105. It's designed to work perfectly with your Tempur-Pedic adjustable bed, making setup a breeze. Enjoy a smooth and effortless transition. Effortlessly control your bed's position with this dedicated remote. Adjust to your perfect comfort with ease. It uses infrared signals for reliable and secure communication with your bed. This ensures a consistent and dependable connection. Operate your bed from up to 3 meters away. Control your comfort from anywhere in the room. It features 3 easy-to-use buttons for simple and convenient control. Experience effortless operation and adjust your bed in seconds. This remote offers a seamless upgrade for your Tempur-Pedic adjustable bed. Enjoy enhanced comfort and control. What we like. It offers reliable, long-range control for your Tempur-Pedic bed. If you're looking for a hassle-free, long-range solution for your adjustable bed, this remote is perfect. Its compatibility and ease of use make it a top choice. What people say. Controller worked perfect for my Tempur-Pedic bed. The replacement remote came faster than expected and was very easy to install. It worked right off the bat. Installed easy and worked with no problem, and they upgraded the shipment to expedited at no additional charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.